everyone, welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a cheesy chicken and salsa pasta dish. It's really fast and easy, perfect for those busy days. To get started, let's prep the vegetables. Dice half an onion. Mince 1 to 2 garlic cloves. Chop 1 bell pepper. And grate 1 cup of cheese. Cut up to 1 pound of chicken. I'm using thighs because they always come out very tender, but you can use any part of the chicken. Now cook 8 ounces of pasta as directed on the package. Don't forget to salt the water. I'm using rotini pasta, but penne works well here too. Drain and set aside, or you can cook it while you make the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan and add the chicken. Season with salt and pepper. Cook it for a little, then add the garlic and onion. Stir and cook for a couple of minutes. When the chicken is almost cooked, add the chopped bell pepper, 1 cup of corn, and 1 1/4 cups of your favorite salsa. Bring to a boil, then turn down the heat and simmer for 10 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables have softened. Add the pasta into the sauce. Mix it in evenly and then add the cheese and stir until melted. And that's it! What I love about this dish, and any pasta really, is you can add whatever vegetables you like or have on hand. What makes this dish stand out is using salsa as the sauce instead of regular tomato sauce. Give it a try and you'll see how delicious it is. Thanks for watching! Bye!